A speed reducer is a device with a gearbox that is used to reduce the output speed of an electric motor and increase the output torque to meet the different working requirements of mechanical equipment. A speed reducer usually consists of an electric motor, a gear reducer, an output shaft, a speed reducer housing, and other components. Through the action of gear transmission, the reducer can realize the output of different speeds and torque, thus enabling mechanical equipment to work more efficiently. Transmission device is a kind of equipment for connecting and transmitting power, which is used to transfer the power of the motor to the mechanical equipment, including gear transmission, so that the mechanical equipment can operate normally. Belt transmission, etc. Each transmission device has its specific application and advantages. There are many types of transmission devices. Transmission in mechanical equipment plays a role in the transmission of power, speed and torque regulation, to ensure the normal operation of the equipment and other functions. There is a certain connection and difference between reducer and transmission device. The connection is mainly reflected in the following aspects. E. Function. Reducer and transmission device are both used to transfer power and adjust the speed of the equipment. Chain transmission. The common point is that they can realize the power transfer between the motor and mechanical equipment. However, the reducer is mainly used to reduce the output speed of the motor, increase the output torque, to adapt to the working requirements of mechanical equipment. Transmission device is more extensive, including a variety of transmission methods, according to the actual needs of the choice of suitable transmission device. R. Structure. Reducer is a special transmission device. Its structure is mainly composed of motor, reducer, output shaft and other components. The structure of the transmission device is more flexible and diversified, through gears, chains, belts and other different transmission methods to achieve power transmission. 3. Application. Reducer is mainly used in the need to reduce speed and increase torque occasion, such as the need to accurately control the rotational speed of the device. Transmission device is more extensive, used in a variety of mechanical equipment, according to different work requirements to choose the appropriate transmission mode. The difference between speed reducer and transmission device is mainly reflected in its function, structure and application. Reducer has obvious deceleration and increased torque function. The structure is relatively fixed, mainly used in the need to accurately control the rotational speed of the occasion. Transmission device function is more extensive. The structure is more flexible and diversified, applicable to a variety of mechanical equipment. Therefore, there are obvious differences between reducer and transmission device in function, structure and application. To summarize, reducer and transmission device are two common devices in the field of mechanical transmission. They play an important role in transferring power and regulating speed. There are certain links and differences between reducers and transmissions, which are mainly reflected in the function, structure and application. In industrial production and mechanical equipment, the correct selection and rational use of reducers and transmission devices can improve the efficiency of mechanical equipment to achieve better production efficiency.